Hello everyone, MPX AUTOS James. Today, how are you? In this video, we would like to share how to install the best camera for the Ford Focus Generation 4 2011. And this one, it comes with nothing factory camera or head unit screen. So now at this moment, look at this. The camera is here, the very best one. Why we say that? Because actually it is fit perfectly into the place, like the block of the car. So no one would say this is not because belong to the car, because it looks exactly like a block from the car at the back end. No gap, nothing. It just perfectly fit into the place and positioned into the right place. Okay, and this one is the best because it is full HD, anti-glare, super wide angle and super night vision camera, which is the top of the range of the camera for the car. Now the way we install is we need to remove this plastic cover first, which easily pop this one out. Some clip, you see that we even don't need to remove this, we just work on the left side, and then we remove the top cover here, which actually need to remove one screw and second screw, and then you pop it out. Okay, pop it out by hands or with the help of the plastic trim remover tool, and then you remove 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 of the 10mm bolt, sorry, nut, and then you can pop out this cover. Okay, pop out this cover and then drill one hole and apply our camera over here like this, and then it will stay beautiful like that. And then put this cover back to the place and start running the cable, through the rubber grommet here. Okay, that is the 2-hole rubber grommet, which actually is standing for the connection for the rear open lid button as well. So just run through and tape it tight and nice, and then run the wiring along here. Okay, and along, and then go in here, and then you actually run through the rubber grommet using the soap and using the fitting wire, and then running the cable through this under here and stay here waiting. Now there, we actually need to get the power from the bottom reverse line, which actually you look from the bottom up, you will see the wire here. Okay, see that yellow green one? That is the positive line for the reverse. So extract the power from that wire and then connect that, and then run through that rubber, the round rubber one. That rubber one is plugged into the body so you can run through and then tap it in water tie, and then run that power cable behind this carpet, and then going up to here, and then running behind this and going here, meeting the camera line and join into the camera line trigger red line, and then from here go all the way around the edge of the roof liner to the front. Okay, all the way, which means the roof liner going along the roof here, going here, and you can see that from here it actually go along this edge. Okay, all the way inside nicely, and then go along the roof liner here, go here, and go here, and until this point we actually can pop out this one. Okay, you actually need to remove this rubber first, and then you pop out this plastic cover here on the side, which easily some of the clip, just pull it, it comes out, and then you fitting wire the camera line from here go straight on top into the radio section, because from here inside it actually stay above the glove box, go straight, go there, no problem. Okay, that's exactly how we actually fit the wiring for the reverse camera up to this point. Very straightforward, and there's no problem. The camera is working beautifully, and yeah, we are finishing our system of the 9-inch premium head unit system for this car. So soon we have another video for the review, so please stay watching. Thanks for watching this video, and we'll see you on the next one soon.